I'm Dick Knapinski. I'm Director of Communications here at EAA. And right now we're in the Kermit Weeks Flight Research Center, commonly known as the Weeks Hangar. This is not a public part of the EAA facilities, but it is a place where a lot of action happens. Everything from repair to restoration takes place in here with our technicians who have IAs and A&P certificates, and they do a marvelous job and get to work on so many different types of airplanes from around the world that come here, and of course those that go on display in the museum and those that fly regularly, including our tri-motor, our B-25, and others. And most people know about the Burt Rutan airplanes, the Long Easy, the Very Easy, of course, going up to Spaceship One and everything in between, the Starship. Well, there's some lesser known ones too that are in the EA collection, and one of them is right here, the Grizzly, or known as the Grizz. It's from right around 1980. And it was a unique design. You know, Burt Rutan always had some very interesting designs. Well, this is one of them. It's one of a kind. It's in the EA collection. And as you look at this aircraft, you'll see some interesting things in the landing gear and the wing configuration and so forth. Some of the ideas that sprouted from the fertile mind of Burt Rutan in his design factory. So this is one that we have on display during AirVenture outdoors, and also from time to time in the museum as we rotate different aircraft through there. So it's just one of about 200 airplanes in the collection. We're getting it all shined up and ready for AirVenture. We're standing in front of EAA's B-25 Mitchell bomber now. We've had this airplane in the collection for 4 decades. It was flown by Paul Poberezny quite a bit, but then it was on display in the museum for a long time. About 5-6 years ago, we decided, let's restore it. And it's painted in the colors of Berlin Express because that is the airplane it portrayed in the 1970 movie Catch-22. So this airplane actually is a movie star, has been in Hollywood productions. We take it throughout the Midwest and throughout the country on tour right now. So if it comes to your hometown, be sure to get a flight in it. It's loud, it's noisy, it's everything, but it's really, really cool. And during AirVenture, we also offer flights in it. And so you can sign up here at AirVenture, or before you get to Oshkosh, book yourself a flight in the B-25 and get that once-in-a-lifetime experience when you're here at Oshkosh.